Hi, my name is Rich Meek with the Intel server team. Involvement with NCH started back in November when I came on board. I built, racked, installed, configured all the Intel servers, including VMware. We currently have over 58 virtual machines, 32 physical machines, and 14 vendor colo racked machines as well. What this project has meant to me, this has been a great honor for me to be a part of Nemours history here in Florida. Being a part of this groundbreaking hospital here, it's just been fantastic. It's just an honor to be a part of it. My proudest moment here at NCH was actually the day we finally got to turn on some equipment and see lights blinking and communication between the servers and the outside world here. So to actually have our equipment communicating the outside in Nemours and working for Nemours was a fantastic day here for us here at NCH.
Hi, my name is Scott Rulepa. I work in information systems at Nemours, specifically in the application support team. My involvement with NCH primarily has been with the Philips Patient Monitor project, as well as supporting the install of the radiology equipment and supporting the radiology team. The project has meant a lot to me on many levels, but it's really just been such a great experience to see something so unique as this children's hospital come together. I don't think I'll have an opportunity like this again in my lifetime, so it's been really special to see, inside the building during construction and now seeing so much closer to the final product. It's been really incredible, and I really can't wait for the doors to open and start seeing our customers. The proudest moment I have to say is when we saw patient demo data just floating around the hospital through all the different monitors, through the systems that we worked so hard to get up and running in the background, and seeing all the different displays walking around the different rooms. The TLC has been a great project as well. So to see all the time and effort creating the network and getting the monitors installed, and then to finally see that data go through to everywhere that needs to be, has been really probably the biggest thing that's really lit me up about this project.
Hi, my name is Colin McQueen with Telecom Multimedia. My involvement with the NCH project has been overseeing the installation of the conference rooms, the auditorium, the training corridor, getting IPTV in the building, as well as anywhere there's a TV, basically, I had something to do with it. This project has been very exciting to work on. Having kids and having to take them to the doctor, you can see the need for it here in this area. And it's just been a thrill to be a part of, and the team members have been great, and I look forward to what's to come. Proudest moment at NCH. So far to date, it has been the first week we opened for staff, and when I walked down the hall and all the training rooms were booked, everybody was training, orientation was going on. It was a very good feeling to see everything working and the rooms being used. But I think the ultimate, what's going to give me a lot of pride, is when we actually get patients in here and have the staff doing their job, and we really start making an impact here in Central Florida.
I'm Richard Graves with the Telecom Data Team here at Nemours. I've been working on the NCH project since March of 2011, and I've been involved in pretty much all facets of the data network build-out. It's been a team effort, and we've done really good things so far. The proudest moment at NCH is probably when we got our certificate of occupancy. It was a long, arduous road to get there. There was a lot of long hours and difficult times. But it took a significant amount of time to get there, and there was a lot of work involved by everybody. And it was all for the good for the kids. So that would be my proudest moment with NCH.
Hi, I'm Troy Newcomb. I work for IT security. My involvement with NCH is classified. I'm not allowed to tell anybody. When I first started at Nemours, I helped set up some computers with no electricity and a building with no network wires. And it's really nice to see us get a hospital. I have 4 kids, 3 of them have been patients here. So it is actually reassuring. It's gratifying to work at a place that takes care of kids. But the proudest moment with NCH opening is when my daughter welcomed all the new associates and introduced Roger.
Hi, I'm Drew Corbett. I'm the Service Desk Manager. I'm responsible for all enterprise calls to our Tier 1 support team, including NCH. Well, this is a really exciting time to be part of this organization. We're moving to now supporting multiple hospital environments. And one of the most eye-opening events for my team specifically was moving from an Orlando office environment to a hospital or clinical setting, and just to tour the building and kind of see the environment and see the analysts' faces as they went through all the patient rooms, and kind of had that eye-opening experience to say, we've been supporting hospital and clinical environments for some time now, but now we're finally immersed in that environment, and you can just see that it really brought it home to what they can expect once patients start inhabiting the building. I think my proudest moment that we haven't actually come across yet, but it's not too distant in the future, will be when the patients actually start coming in the doors and the customers here at NCH start calling us for assistance, and it's in the real world scenario. That I think will have a profound impact, that we're actually finally in full support of multiple hospital locations.